Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you please click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. Make sure you actually subscribe. I'll be watching out for it. So, this was one of those trades we took today, which is on Friday, the last day of the week. This was one of those trades we took on Friday, right? This week we actually hit about 100 plus pips, right? It was a perfect entry we actually had today. I mean, when price got to this level, we actually took a sell. The signal was actually sent out, right? We risked about 25 pips just to make 100 pips. That is about 1 to 4 risks to reward. This is the trade, by the way. You will see it, right? GBP USD October 6. This is the trade we actually took. So I'll be putting a link to this playlist of trade we've taken so far this week so you can come to watch it. So that is why those of you that who are struggling traders, probably you're having trouble growing up your account, you can now subscribe to our channel. Right, we have two channels. We are currently running two channels. So that is on Patreon channel and on the Telegram channel. So once you subscribe to the Patreon channel, you will subscribe at a rate of 20 USD. Right, but if you want to subscribe on the Telegram channel, then it will be 15 USD, 15 USD, while the Patreon on is 20 USD. So it just depends on which one you prefer. The cheaper one is on the Telegram. So once you subscribe to it, you will get access to those high probability trade that we have 70 to 90% chances of winning, trade that we have higher chances of winning. That is what we'll be putting out there. So if you're interested, you can subscribe to our Telegram and you'll get access to this. Now let's see what we'll be expecting this week on GBPUSD. If you have been following this channel consistently, right, I've been saying that, I mean, we have predicted this move. I think this movement was around August. Yes, I can remember it very well. The month of August, we've been having this bearish move. August has been giving us this bearish move. GBPUSD has literally been dropping due to the fact that there was a bullish move on USD, right? So if there's a bullish move on USD, then expect a fall on GBP to USD against our USD. So price has actually been falling, right? Then we also were able to predict this movement. When price came here, we had a drop. Came here, we had a drop. Came to this level, we had a drop. This is one of the reasons why we actually took a sell today, which was on Friday at this level. At a level of 2 to 150, we took that sell. We grabbed about 100 pips. Now price has now dropped. Now, when price actually got to hit our profits around this level, which we opted out on our profits, the price gave us that a massive bullish move. Guess what? A lot of traders actually sold at the wrong, decided to jump in and sell at the wrong time because they saw that, okay, this is a massive bullish move, bearish move, right? A correction will be playing out and they should start selling. Unfortunately, price eventually took out their stop loss. Will this price actually drop? Yes, I'm seeing it that GBP USD will still drop, but there are some confluences we need to watch out for. Now let's see it this way, right? On the daily time frame, right? We clearly can see that this is a downtrend move, right? We all know the rules of trading. Trade what you see and not what you think, right? What can you see here? Is it a downward movement or an upward movement? Clearly, this is a downward movement. This is a downtrend move. And we all know what to do on a downtrend move, sell. So we would be looking for a sell, right? That is why we can see price has dropped. It came to this level, we took a sell. Now, price has literally come to this level. With what I'm saying, price is we will be expecting another sell from here, which this is what I'm saying. We should be expecting another sell from here. But if in case price does not sell from here, then I see us heading to a level of 1.23304. Then we are very much likely to say, I mean, when you take a look at this, right, you can see that this is our trend line, right? You can see this is the resistance of our trend line. This is also in our trend line. When price came, it dropped, right? Price came to this same level again, we dropped. So if price does not fall from this our current level, right, which I am expecting, personally, this is what I am saying. I would want price to actually start selling from me. But I will only go ahead and sell if I can get that set up. If we can get that confirmation, then we can now go ahead and sell. If not, GBPUS is very much likely to come to this resistance level, this trend resistance level. As you can see, as it has been coming here, it has been rejecting. GBPUS is very much likely to come to this resistance level, trend resistance level. Then another fall will very much likely to be. And this fall will be a very massive fall, right? If GBPUSD can come to this trend resistance, the fall will be a massive one. Like I said, I am expecting a fall from this level. We can't rule out the fact that GBPUSD is very much likely to push to this resistance level. before it gets that fall. Everything will be covered on both our Telegram channel and on our Patreon channel. So if you're interested in high probability trade, then you can follow our Telegram. You see the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section. Once you follow the link, you can now DM the admin, so you will be added to our Telegram group, and you get access to this our high probability trade setup.